So once you have collected your emails using LaunchRock, what's next? You want to stay in touch with your email subscribers and you want to keep them engaged. After all, you do not want your email list to grow cold and die. Email lists that have not been contacted for more than a month are what I call cold. So the trick to this is to send regular email updates to your campaign list, and especially so when you are about to launch your crowdfunding campaign. So the way to do that is to send them emails every single day. But yet again, you are busy and you do not want to be sending 100 emails every day to your email list. Like for example, every new sign up, you do not want to be saying, "Hello, welcome." So the trick to do that is actually to have an email responder. And that is where an email marketing platform like MailChimp.com comes in handy. It will help you to manage all these email campaigns that you are sending out to your subscribers. And best of all, MailChimp is free to use, so long as you have fewer than 2,000 subscribers and you do not send more than 12,000 emails a month. So let me show you how MailChimp works. The link for this is MailChimp.com, as you can see. And I'm going to show you how to create a simple campaign. Bear in mind that good old personalized campaigns work best, those that do not have a lot of images, just a few text messages. Okay, so let's look at how we create a new campaign. So just click on create a campaign, and I will usually choose just a regular old campaign. Of course, if you want to market your product or your crowdfunding campaign with pictures, you can choose to have also images along with it. But for me, I'll just keep to a simple text email. So select this regular old campaign, send to yourself. Okay, so you can name your campaign over here. Let's name this test campaign. Okay, and this is the email subject line that will show up. So maybe you can say update 1. Thanks for signing up. And you can put the name of the person. So in my case, it is Jonathan. And your email address. What I like about MailChimp is that it allows us you to personalize the to you. So the likelihood of you opening up an email because it's addressed to your name is much higher. And of course, you can have all these options to track who opened, who didn't open. And you can also connect Facebook and Twitter to post your email campaign. And click next. And now you proceed to set up your template. To keep it simple, I'm just going to choose a single column template. So select. Yeah, and over here you can see how the layout looks like. When you want to edit the email campaign, you can always just double click. Okay, and it will show you on the right side here in the window. So let's say you want to type something about your email, welcome on board. Okay, and I'm just going to leave the rest of the stuff there. Okay, you can always create as and when you like. And of course, you can also always add images if you like here. So it's very versatile and it's very useful for you to put in many different elements. I'm not going to add the picture here, I'm just going to show you. Okay, and of course, you can always edit the footer too. Just leave this by itself. Styles, you can change the text color if you like. Let's say black, maybe. Font family, Arial, you can change everything. Okay, so once you're done, save and close. And just click next. And there you go, you're all set to send here. So just do a quick double check of your subject line, your list that you send to. And of course, you can schedule the time to send, which I'll recommend that you do that. So the thing about MailChimp is that it allows you to send either at a specific timing, or you can actually send it with time wrap. But of course, this is a paid feature. But for this case, just keep with 8 AM. Schedule the campaign. And that's it. On this particular date, on the 8th of September at 8 AM, your email list will receive this particular email that you have set. Okay, the other thing about MailChimp that is very useful is that you might be asking the question, how do I import contacts in from launchrock.com or even another landing page site that you might use? So the trick to do this is that MailChimp makes it very easy. You just need to use this thing called list. Okay, and to create a list, you will need to import your list from launchrock.com. So let's just set up the list. Let's say this is a test list. Okay, Default from email, John, that's my email, John LKL. From name, John. Okay. It's always good to remind people how you got on board. Okay, just leave the rest here and click save. Okay, now the question is, how do you import the list? So back to launchrock.com, if you've seen the other lecture, I'm going to show you a sample example from a live campaign actually. So just click in LaunchRock, go to Insights, come to User Management, and export the list as a CSV. Okay, let's just export it to folder, and you see that's being exported right here. Now, back to MailChimp. If you want to import your subscribers, just click Import Subscribers. Copy from a CSV or a text file. And of course, you can upload your file that you have downloaded just now. So let's go to Downloads, this one, and upload the list. Okay, and over here you can choose which column belongs to which fields. So in this case, maybe this is the time of import. So opt-in time, the email address, of course, sign-ups and all this. If you do not want this, you can always skip. Okay, you can always skip all these columns. Okay, for the interest of just simplicity, I'm just going to ignore the rest. And once you're done, just click complete import. Okay, sorry, you have to match every single column first. Let's just skip everything. Okay. And then once you have done this, you need to save it. Okay, make sure you save it. Let's just click save for this. And complete the import. Okay, and what MailChimp will do is that you import your list and it will send out the emails that you have scheduled originally in your campaigns to your email list. Yep. So I'm just going to show you a live example, of how these campaigns actually work. In the Duet campaign that I ran, we actually set up a couple of campaigns for different email lists. So you can see that we have all these subscribers here, newsletter subscribers. We have during the campaign itself, we had some shipping matters to address, and of course we paid for this upgrade to a premium account. And MailChimp actually allows you to automate events. So for example, when people actually sign up for the first time with on our crowdfunding campaign, we actually managed to create an autoresponder that will send out this shipping notice to people. So yeah, this actually saved us a lot of time because we didn't need to actually went to chase after every single email subscriber. So yeah, in a nutshell, that is MailChimp, and use it. It's free and it's good stuff. So thank you very much.